The Tascam is an audio interface that allows up to 4 mics to be recorded at the same time. Each mic input has its own volume controls and can be edited independently after recording. To get started with the Tascam, make sure it's plugged into the studio computer or personal laptop via USB. Then, ensure all mics are plugged into the Tascam. Next, set the bottom left switch to plus 48V. This will give the mics power. Then, plug the headphones into the Tascam on the right side. Use the gold adapters. 2 headphones can be plugged in at once. The monitor balance knob controls the output volume level for the computer as well as the microphones plugged into the Tascam. To monitor both at the same time, set this knob to the noon position. If audio can't be heard from either, ensure this knob is set correctly. Place the sound panels between the presenters and the bare walls to reduce reflections or echoes. The panels should be close to the presenters to isolate sound. Ideally, each presenter should have their own microphone. For large groups, presenters with similar speaking volumes should pair together. Use the arms and knobs to reposition the mics. Be gentle and do not force movements. Make sure there's a good amount of space between the mics so they don't pick up duplicate audio. Set the mic close to the mouth of the presenter at an angle so that it's not straight on. Place the pop filter between the mic and the presenter's mouth without touching either. Each mic volume level must be set individually to ensure that every presenter will be recorded at an ideal volume. To set the levels, find the volume knob for the mic on the Tascam audio interface, which will match the number on the mic. Then, each presenter should individually speak into their mic at a comfortable, natural volume. While continuing to talk, turn the knob to the right until the red light flashes. Now, turn the knob to the left in small increments until the red light stops. The volume should be as loud as possible without triggering the red light, which indicates that it's too high. Repeat this process for each presenter. Continue to monitor the levels throughout the session and make adjustments as needed. Remember to record a test take before recording a full project to see if there are any audio or technical errors. The final step is to set up the recording software. Refer to our other videos for instructions. If you need help, email itech@plu.edu, visit the help desk, or call the support number.